Happy summer. It is beautiful outside and I just went to the farmer's market and I've had a lot of requests for my refrigerator pickle recipe, strangely enough. So I decided to make a video so that the children could watch it in case they wanted to help make refrigerator pickles. And then the grown-ups who want the recipe, you guys have it too. All right, here we go. Summer in a jar. Okay, next we're gonna use our pickling spices and I'll tell you what's in mine. These have mustard seeds, cinnamon, ginger, bay leaves, red peppers, caraway seeds, allspice, coriander, black pepper, cloves, and some celery seeds. This is the dill. We're gonna put those in the bottom of all our mason jars. That's the next step. Okay, we're gonna need salt, vinegar, I use agave, you could use sugar, and water. Let's get started with the brine. Okay, I'm gonna do 7 cups of water. That's 4, 3 more. And then we're gonna do 3 cups of vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, 3 cups. Boom. Now, I just put in a couple tablespoons of agave. I don't actually measure, I just put some in there. I have a little more. And then a couple tablespoons of salt. I like salt. And that is the Celtic sea salt. We're just gonna get that hot and stir it up, and then the brine will be ready. In the meantime, we'll chop some veggies. Okay, I forgot to mention something important. Garlic, I add garlic to the pot. I think I put 5 in there. And I just got back to the farmer's market and I've got a bunch of vegetables. We're gonna cut these up and that's what goes in. So whatever you like. Okay, veggies are cut. We have cucumbers, carrots, jalapenos, red peppers, Anaheim, more cucumbers, some green beans. I usually throw in some cauliflower. I just don't have some this time. And whatever else you like in your pickle jar. Okay, now is the fun part. We've got the dill and the pickling spices in the bottom. And then we are just going to start packing. Literally, you just start packing. Okay, we've got these all ready to go. Our brine is all done. Just gonna put the brine in there and we'll pack them up, put them in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready to go. Well, it takes about a week. Okay, we could pretend it's a week forward, but it's not. So I have this pickles that I made a couple weeks ago. And let me see, I don't think I have any cucumbers right now, but I have a fabulous green bean. Hear that crunch? Summer in a jar, pickly deliciousness. Enjoy, happy summer, take good care, and I hope to see you soon. Hear that? Delicious.